These are the best Balisongs on Amazon. I'll go over each one individually from cheapest to most expensive, and in the end I'll kind of rank them and tell you which ones are the best bang for your buck. This one's $40, $50, $60, $65, $75, $100, $180, and $225. First up is the Balisongs Canyon. The one on Amazon is actually the trainer version. This one is the live blade, even though it's not really sharp. It's a good flipper. No tap at all. Even though it has that shake, but a little bit of play. Good swing. The sound test. Overall, a solid Bally, and it's only $40. Next up is the Comet. If you ever dreamed of having a Balisong with a ruler on it for some reason, then this is the Balisong for you. I don't really get the point of that, but it's still a really good flipper. Good swing. No tap. Just a little bit of play. Solid tolerances. Sounds good. Fun to flip. Next up, got the Squiddy Bee. This one is made of plastic, so I like to take this one on trips with me, like cruises, or if I'm flying anywhere, and you don't have to worry about them trying to confiscate it or anything like that. It just runs on washers, so it's got a lot of play. Tap. It's got good swing though, and it's just a lot of fun to flip. Very lightweight. This one is $60. And next up now we got the Volpe. This one is pretty beat up, but nonetheless it still flips really well. Mine does have tap, some play, free swing, has pretty good grip on the handles. Pretty good overall for $65 in my opinion. And next up, we got the Balisongs Cheese. This is one of my favorites. The only problem I've had with it is the Zen pin does fall out, but I'm not sure if that's a problem that people usually have or it's just for me. But yeah, that Zen pin falls out, but this thing is so fun to flip. Good swing. See, it fell out right there. Hardly any play. No tap. And who doesn't love cheese? This thing is so fun to flip. I just wish the pin didn't fall out for me, but I'm not sure if that is usually a problem or not. But for $75 overall, it's really good. And here we got the Balisongs Trident. This one is really good as well. It's similar to a Nautilus. Really good tolerances. No tap. Good swing. Just a little bit of play. Got the bottle opener right there. Sounds good. Flips great. Highly recommend that one. And here we got the Squid Trainer by Squid Industries. Just a little bit of tap. Good swing on there. No tap at all. It's got a really ringy sound to it, but it's a really good Bally overall. And we got the Kraken Trainer by Squid Industries as well. No tap. Good free swing on there. Just a little bit of play. Over the years, I've owned a ton of Krakens. They're one of my favorite Balisongs. I usually prefer the live blade, but the trainer is really good as well. It's just such a good flipper. Good grip. Sounds pretty good too. Overall, very, very good. By the way, all these Balisongs will be linked in the description. It will be affiliate links, so if you want to support the channel, you can use those. Or if you don't, no worries. But if I had to say which ones are the best bang for your buck, I would probably say the Cheese and the Trident, even though they're not the cheapest, but I think they're the best balance of not being too expensive, but they flip really, really good. Like I said, this is comparable to a Nautilus, but it's like less than half the price. It's still $100, but the quality on it is just super good. And it will just, I've had this thing for years and it's just going strong. It's so good to flip. The Cheese I've had for a few months, and it does have the problem with the Zen pin for me, but if it didn't have that, this would be such a good one. And I'm not sure, I might see if they will get it fixed. They might do that, but I'm not completely sure. But for $75, it just flips so well. And overall, Kraken is one of my all-time favorites. It's not the best bang for your buck though, because it's $225, but it is super, super good. Really though, you can't go wrong with any of these choices. They're all solid Balisongs, so if something catches your eye, I would just recommend going with that one. I appreciate y'all watching the video, and I hope it helped you make a decision if you're trying to get a new Balisong off of Amazon. And if it did help you out, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.